Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Now, I'll be honest with you, I don't get super excited about garbage companies. They're not making headlines. Waste Management isn't going to team up with GameStop anytime soon, although that would be quite funny. But this chart here has some definite relative strength. If I go to the SPY, we can see SPY pulled back from the 200-day moving average just over 9%, almost 10%. Waste Management pulled back half that amount. It only pulled back 4%. And so that's some pretty interesting relative strength in a relatively weak market. And so this is a stock I definitely want to pay attention to. As you can see, if I zoom out here, it's above all the major moving averages and near its 52-week high. And so I'm going to put an alert on this chart at around 176 and look for a strong move through that level coming on higher than average volume. Now, ideally, this chart tightens up a little bit. I would love to see the stock just go sideways and build a nice base and let the 8-day and the 21-day just kind of act like a floor. The weekly chart here looks like a nice, as Dan Fitzpatrick would call, phase 1 breakout, phase 2 pullback, phase 3 follow through. But as you can see, we're getting close to the end of the week and we're not really near those highs yet. So it's either got to break through and do it tomorrow, or ideally, like I said, I want to see it go sideways, build a nice base, and then break through that 176 level. So this is a stock I'll be watching over at StockMarketMentor.com. And if you want to see what else we're doing, be sure and take a trial. Click the link below if you're watching this on YouTube, and I hope to see you on the other side.